find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes.
Hi guys, saseni watu wangu. You are so welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming here. I really appreciate. So if this is your first time to be here on my channel, consider subscribing to my channel. Without forgetting to leave a comment in the comment section below. And liking this video and watching this video to the end. Thank you so much in advance. And for you, my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your support, for always coming here to watch my videos every time I upload a new video. And also you want to make sure that you put on the notification bell so that you will get notified once I post a new video. So in today's video is basically about a DIY, and we are going to be making clove oil. I know I have done such a video before. The previous week I made clove oil, and basically guys, something about me is that whenever I get new information, I just don't stop there. I go ahead and start doing my own research. So baada ya kufanya utafiti wangu kuhusu clove oil na vile unaweza fanya na vile clove oil inaweza saidia nywele yetu, I went ahead na nikaenda on Google. So I went and Googled and just to find more information about clove oil and how it is so helpful and many ways how you can make clove oil. And one of the ways that I made clove oil was, and one of the ways that we made clove oil in the previous video, it's just one of the ways. We have several ways. You remember, if you have watched my video, we did grind the cloves and then we mixed with oils and then we boiled water and then we inserted inside and then everything mixed and then we squeezed out the oil. But now I have a new method that I just found out while I was doing my own research, and I want to try out this new method with you. And this is the reason for this video. So remember, on my channel, this is the #1 channel that you can get all the information concerning natural hair, how you can grow your hair, how you can style your hair in the simplest and quickest way possible, and the DIYs that I show you when I find out about something that can grow your hair. Basically what I do my own research and then try that thing on my hair, and then when it works, I tell you the truth. So that is what you will find out in this video. We are going to try out this new method and see if it is actually going to work. So what I did, I went ahead and grinded the cloves into powder form like this. In the previous video I showed you how I did everything, so if you want to see every detail and every process of how to make this powder form, you want to consider watching the previous video. I am going to leave the link in the description box below. But this is now ready, and this thing smells so cute. The smell is so nice. I like it. And by the way guys, the oil that I made is so good to my hair. I'm remaining with just a little bit of it to end, but it is just so amazing. I've been using it to just massage my scalp, and I think the oil is so good. It is so good, it's so good. So basically what we're going to do, we are going to mix the oils with this powder, and then we are going to mix well and then cover it so well, and then we're going to put it somewhere, and then we are going to come back after 1 week and see, because that method says you mix the cloves powder and then with the oil, and then you just cover it so well and then you place it somewhere and for a week, and then after a week you can squeeze out the oil. So that's what we're going to do and see if there's any difference between the other method and what we are doing right now. So oil. So my olive oil is almost over. So for this video, I'm not adding in coconut oil. I know some people use coconut oil. I'm not using coconut oil because I like my oils to be in liquid form, but as you understand, it will depend on the temperature. Sometime you'll find that coconut oil will become solid, and I don't want that to happen. So that's the mash I'm remaining with olive oil. So now I am going ahead to add in this castor oil. Remember, castor oil is also good in growing your hair and also just making your hair look fuller and just making your hair add volume, and with consistency and using it over and over, it can promote hair growth. So I have been using it for so many years, and it is good, and this combination is so good. So I am adding in this in here. So we will come after 1 week and see what will have happened. So you can see castor oil, the consistency is a little bit heavy. It is heavy, yeah. So this is how it is. So this is our mixture. This is how it looks like, and now we are going to cover it with a lid like this, and we can put and we are going to put it somewhere, and then it's going to stay there for a whole week. So today is on Thursday, and then we are going to come back here and see what will have happened in a week's time. That means next week on Thursday it should be ready. It will be 7 days. So see you next week.
Hi guys, I hope you're doing great. So I just dropped here so quickly to give you an update about the progress of my hair growth oil, this one that I am making. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is how it's looking like inside here. So I started making this oil on Thursday last week, yes, and today is on Tuesday morning. So it is supposed to sit for 7 days. So by Thursday this week is gonna be so ready. So basically I'm gonna come up with a full video on Friday, or maybe if I finish editing early on Thursday, I'll post the video on Thursday. So this is the oil, and this oil is so good. It is coming along so well. So see you next time when I post the full video.
So guys, this is the 7th day, and this is how our oil is looking like. So we started making this oil last week on Thursday, and today is on Thursday in the morning. So our oil is ready. I haven't touched this oil for about 1 week. The only thing I did is just stirring so that it mixes well. So actually I found out that there's 2 ways you can make cloves oil, and the first one is what I did a video about it, just to grind the cloves and then mix with your favorite natural oils, and then you can dip in boiling water just to allow the oil to mix. And then the second method is by mixing your favorite natural oils and then let it sit for 7 days. And this is what we just did, and I love this oil. And the last time I made this oil, this is what we made last time, and this is the remaining one. So this oil is so nice. It is working so well with my hair. So guys, how many times will I tell you to try DIYs? DIYs will change your hair. DIYs will change the appearance of your hair. How many times now I am getting tired. Oh, can you please try DIYs? Look at this natural oil. This oil is working so well with my hair. So let me know if you are going to try making this oil. But so far, this one has been working so well with me, and I'm so happy, and I'm looking forward to using this oil. And basically what you can do, you just apply to your scalp and then massage your scalp generously, and you can do it on a daily basis, or maybe after 2 days you apply the oil and then you just massage your scalp. And remember, if you don't have a good hair practice and you use any hair growth oil, it will not help you. It won't help you. You must have a good hair routine. You must also focus on retaining length. It will help you. So this oil is gonna help you promote hair growth. Okay? So thank you so much for watching my video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel for more hair videos like this weekly, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that you'll get notified once I post a new video. Like this video and leave a comment in the comment section below. If there is any question you want to ask them in the comment section below. And like this video, give it a thumbs up, okay, and share with your friends so that this information can reach as many people as possible. So maybe in the coming months I'll come with full results about this oil. One, I am done with it, but I'm so happy, and I'm very sure I'll make it again because I really love DIYs. My hair, the way it looks, it is a result of DIYs. I love doing DIYs to my hair, and they have never disappointed me. So see you in my
No one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah. Oh. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never leave.